Listen to the rumble. Gears engaged. Lights on. Let's go racing! Cracking start by Ralph. Look at Montoya. He's up the inside of Raikkonen. It's been a terrible start for the McLaren driver. He almost lost out to Trulli as well. Michael Schumacher, crucially, has not got past Jarno Trulli, I don't think. No, he hasn't, and that will really compromise Schumacher. He desperately needed to get past the Renault driver. And look at Alonso. He's challenging the back of Michael Schumacher as well. He's had a mega start, but hats off to the Williams team. They're 1-2 as they attack the Mirabeau.
Yes, once again, then Raikkonen slow away from the start, as he was in Austria. The Williams car's getting away beautifully. And Montoya having the racing line. I have to say, Raikkonen did well not to lose it to Trulli as well. Alonso is ahead of Coulthard, so Alonso up to 6th, Coulthard 7th, Barrichello 8th. Webber remained in 9th place and D'Amata 10th, so Ralf Schumacher, Montoya 1st and 2nd. Comfortable lead then.
Look at the way that Ralf Schumacher is putting the hammer down, though. He's really leaving the others standing. You get a kind of concertina effect at Monaco, don't you? The cars tend to sort of spread out and then open out because you can't put your foot on the gas, I guess, until the guy in front of you through the slow corners has gone first.
Absolutely right, but Ralf Schumacher looking supremely confident on this opening lap. It's a lap we would recognise with his brother driving, that's for sure as well. This sort of just get straight on with it. And look at that, he's going to have, look, half the pit straight. Did Montoya hit the wall?
Yes, I think he did. He definitely gave it a bump. Whether or not it's done anything to his suspension, I don't know, but he gave it a little love tap, and he certainly hit the wall in a fairly substantial way.
I think that's at the swimming pool, isn't it? That could well be right in the middle of the racetrack then. So are we going to see a safety car situation? I think I understand where that bridge is. And it is down at the swimming pool area, and they should be able to cover that under waved yellows. And Frentzen, I think, is going to take too much curb, bounces off and straight into the wall.
But luckily he's done it right underneath the crane from the looks of things. You see that giant arm reaching out across the track. Can they crane this car out of the way, or will we need a safety car? Martin, the winners and losers off the grid.
Well, with the safety cars on standby, Raikkonen lost a place. Ralf, of course, kept his pole and lead. Montoya up a place. Safety car is deployed. Safety car will come out then. That'll pack the field up. Frentzen did something that Alonso did earlier on in the weekend. Clumped too much curb on the exit of the swimming pool.